It's crystal clear how cool crystals are, but it's really hard to find and it's quite expensive as well. So today, I, Abigail, Mylovia, Adi will show all of you how to make cool homemade crystals. Pretty cool, isn't it? To make this, you will need Epsom salt, hot water, a cup, a plate, food coloring if you would like to color your crystals, and a jar. Now you might be asking me, Evie, what is an Epsom salt? Well, I'll explain it from the basic. Salt is a naturally occurring mineral and a chemical compound with amazing properties. These properties enable salt to be used in everything from preserving food to making it taste better. Now, Epsom salt is primarily used for health reasons. People use it to make soft water for relaxing, treat constipation, and even sore muscles. So, what do you think will happen if I mix the Epsom salt with the hot water? Do you think it will immediately turn to crystals or will it just stay to water? So without any more talking, let's get on to the fun part. First step, in a cup, measure out a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt and a 1/4 cup of hot water. Okay, we're just gonna pour this in. Okay. Then stir them together. Next, if all the salt doesn't dissolve, heat the cup in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. Now I want to heat the cup in the microwave because my salt have not completely dissolve. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. 20 to 30. Okay. Alright. So next, once all the salt have dissolved, you can add a drop or even 2 drops of food coloring to your mixture. But I will not be adding any to mine because I just don't want to. Once you add your food coloring, the next step is to place this in the refrigerator and make sure to check on it every half an hour or even an hour. And after several hours, crystals should form in the bottom of the cup. So, let's see. Now we wait for several hours. Do you think it works if I use room temperature water or cold water? Well, let's see. This is with room temperature water. Oh, that was hard. As you can see, you cannot use cold water because all the salt doesn't even dissolve a single bit. So the best is to use hot water for it works perfectly. Now let me tell all of you why this happened. More salt can dissolve in hot water than cold. So when the hot water cools in the microwave, the Epsom salt creates crystals on the side of the cup. The unique shape of Epsom salt molecules make them form long crystals that almost look like needles. Now I will explain the scientific explanation on why this happened. Basically, an Epsom salt is another name of the chemical called magnesium sulfate. The temperature of the water determines how much magnesium it can hold. It can dissolve more when it is hotter. Cooling the solution rapidly encourages fast crystals growth since there is less room for the dissolved salt in the cooler and denser solution. As the solution cools, the magnesium sulfate atoms run into each other and join together as a crystal form. Now that is it for my science fair. Love science for its crystal clear. Bye everyone! It can be your favorite color or your least favorite. Yep. And within many hours later, nope, I should not say it like that.
Huh?
It sounds so weird. Okay. Where was I?
Thank you.